Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix webcam not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your webcam is not working or it's not showing anything, then I will show you a couple of few steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you just need to click on start menu, then click on settings. On your left side, you will find privacy and security. You have to click on that. Then scroll down. Here you can see under app permissions, you will find camera. You just need to click on this. You have to make sure that camera access, this toggle should be on. If it is off, you just need to enable this option. After that, you can see for which software your webcam is not working. Suppose if you are using Zoom and your webcam is not working, then check the Zoom app in this list, just toggle it on. After that, just close this window, then check whether your webcam driver is properly installed or not. For that, you just need to click on this start menu, then type your device manager. Click on this device manager. In this you can see your camera, double click and expand. Here you will find your webcam. Right click on that, then click on update driver. Click on browse my computer for the drivers. You have to select this option. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your driver and device. Just click on next, then close this window, close this window. And the third step is you just need to click on this start menu, then type here CMD. Right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Click on this to allow. Here you need to type SFC space / scan now. Then hit enter. It will take approx 15 to 20 minutes. After completion of this, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can fix webcam not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.